How to send someone's reel to Facebook group. First open Facebook. Initially you'll play to the home interface, scroll down. Find the section for reels, tap on the reel of your choice. Find the reel that you would like to share, tap on the share icon that you can see on the reel. Now you'll be able to share it. At top you'll be able to find this kind of section. Tap on this field. Now make sure to tap on this option in a group. Tap on the group of your choice. Now you can say something. Tap on the field of say something. Enter the caption over here. Tap on this option share now. Wait for a while. Go back. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on this option groups. Tap on the group of your choice. Now in this group, you can see over here the reel has been shared. So like this, you'll be able to share someone's reel to a Facebook group. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.